Hey, good morning. Welcome to Fungi Fun. And if you're getting this later in the day, hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Fungi Fun. And if you're doing this in the middle of the night, hey, good evening. Welcome to Fungi Fun. I'm the fun guy, Timothy Ross. Anyway, did a great little blog posting here this morning on Fungi Fun, on our Improving Futures thing, and on the Facebook page. So I thought, well, you know what? I want to test this little video thing out and see how I can do that. So anyway, in the background, you'll see up here is a picture of a famous painting, and it celebrates the 50 years of our Canadian flag. This was donated by the Canadian Flag Education Centre to our office, and is signed by the father of our Canadian flag, John Ross Matheson. Anyway, so moving on to Fungi Fun. Right now we got 54 members in the Fungi Family Fun group. And they are, unfortunately, many of you are suffering from sore tummies. It's okay. We need to share that fun with the rest of the population, at least in Canada, around the world. So anyway, I've sent out the invitation. The invitation is sent out to join Fungi Fun. We could see this go to 1 million members literally overnight or over the next, like 50 years. So, just a complete reminder, this is a COVID-19 2021 free zone. We'll reevaluate this in 3 years. So, anyway, so 54 times 2 equals 108. 108 times 108 equals 11,664. 11,664 times 11,664 equals 136,048,896. So if you tell two friends and they tell their friends and they tell their friends, man, that's a lot of friends. We're done with a little buffer. And for fun, remember, 111,111 times 111,111,111 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, I did a little audit on that because, I don't want to spread misinformation. So I checked it. And my trusty spreadsheet said that number, I won't repeat it because that's a lot of words, equaled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0, 0. So what happened to the 21 at the end? I think maybe the writer of that original post took a little liberty. However, I did a little further check and it reveals that the program would not add the 21 at the end for some reason, even though when you type it out without a formula, interesting indeed, I must assume it's true. So, alternatively, 1.23457 to the power of e times 16 at power of 16 is the answer as well. If you're a little technically inclined to be joining us here on Fungi Fun, we like to appeal to all groups here: mathematicians, engineers, philosophers, the whole gamut of people out there, Now, listen, double check your mushroom identity from at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different angles. And if you're still not sure, look at it again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure, KYM, know your mushrooms. Or you're going to have a sore tummy. You might die. You might have an awesome trip, or you might end up just sitting on the toilet wondering, man. Now, for more fun, rumor has it that there's 366 dimples on a regulation golf ball. We got to appeal to the golfers. That's a big group in our demographics here. They're prime candidates for finding mushrooms. They're out there looking at the meadows every day. I often wonder if I could eat that thing. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, 136 dimples. Then, did you know there's 293 ways to make change for $1, and a dime has 118 ridges around the edge? We could do a whole video on that. like counting the ridges on the edge of a dime. Wow, I'm curious how many edges on the edge of a nickel or a penny. Interesting. I don't think there's any edges on the end on a penny. Now, health tip. When you sneeze, water can come out of your mouth at speeds of 60 miles an hour. That's 96.56 kilometers per hour for those that are in Europe or Canada or anywhere but the U.S. But 60 miles if we're going to go for the U.S. population here. That's 88 feet per second. Now, seconds like, ooh, okay. Also, it's important to sneeze with your, if it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. That's a pretty kind of cool tip to know. So I'm not sure what kind of trip that'll put you on, but anyway, so keep your eyes open if you're concerned about drawing attention to yourself in a lineup. That could be an interesting video. Maybe someone will share one for us. Now, here's some straight double trouble math. Did you know 14 doubles equals 884,736? So that's the power of the double. 54 doubled equals 108. 108 doubled equals 216. 216 doubled equals 432. 432 doubled equals 864. 864 doubled equals 1728. 1728 doubled equals 3456. 3456 doubled equals 6912. And 6912 equals 13,824. 13,824 equals 27,648. And 27,648 equals 55,296. And 55,296 equals 110,592. And 110,592 equals 221, 184. And 221, 184 doubled equals 442, 368. And 442, 368 equals 884, 736. We're almost to a million. 884, 736 goes over the top at 1.7. 1,769,472. So within 15 doubles, we could be almost at 2 million members at Fungi Fun. It's all up to you. So just remember, Fungi Fun, explore the wonderful world of mushrooms. The payoff is amazing. It's a weekend warrior activity, so be sure and join us on this adventure and become a member today. Awesome. Have a great day. Fungi Fun. Over and out. Timothy Ross. Peace. Oh, what I gotta do? Press the button.